Okay, quick one, guys. Before, I believe I've explained this several times, but yet we still having some questions in respect to that. And also, I bring up to a new update from last year we make a lot of money on new listing coin, and this year again we are still going to make a lot of money on new listing coin, which I want to show us, but I don't know. It's just that you have to monitor it yourself. But this strategy is different from the one we used last year. Last year we were shorting before they start manipulating the market. But this year around, we are going to be using different. So I have checked it, and I want us to check it well. And to those of us that are meeting me that how to turn maybe $10 to a huge amount, I want you to focus and pay a very close attention to this video. Now let's say, firstly, let me quickly answer this. Some people are asking of this and this. Just like I said this give you the direction, that's the market, but this doesn't give you the confirmation on the boats. We have the boats. This you see, let me show you this. You see this guy now, let me make it very clear. This guy now, there is one here, but it doesn't give us direction to buy. So in our boats, the boat is not going to give us buy here. The boat will only give you buy on this guy. Immediately this guy points, and you all know that this is not a painting. Once the guy's point, it remains permanent. It will never disappear. So the boat immediately this guy points here and give us buy here, the boat will immediately send us a signal, something like this. Let me show us something like this. I will have opened the boat for us, but the name has been flagged by the system of YouTube, so I don't want anything to happen to my account. So immediately it's give us that signal, it's going to give us this entry, and it's going to give us, if it's on crypto or if it's on forex, it's going to give us crypto signal, and it's going to give you buy or sell. Look at this guy, he say buy, so there is sell. On the sell is going to show us sell here, and that is it. So that was the question I received yesterday. I hope I have made it very clear. So now here is it now. So now I found new update for us, for those of us who are not willing to go on the perpetual. There is perpetual, which is future. There is sports. So sports mean you buy from here. Let's assume you want to trade this on sports. You only buy this token. You see, this is BTC. You buy and you hold it. Once it keep growing, you keep making money, and once you hit some, you just make money from there and you sell immediately. That is on spot, not on future. On future, it can goes down and it can goes up, and same wise, even on spot, it can goes down and it can goes up. So now let's quickly go to the new update that I have for us using this same indicator. Believe me, this indicator is gonna make you a lot this year. So now, before I go that, this was my book I published last year, and some of our members got it, and here is just the book here. This is the crypto matter. So here the book is very cheap. I do not charge us. It's just the money that you can use to buy airtime, you can use to buy this book, so you can study it, and it's just a funny thing about everything you want to learn about crypto. But this one always give you everything you need in both crypto and also forex as well. So if you found anything not interested, hold me responsible in this book, so I bet you. So now let's quickly go to my MEXZ. Look at it now. You see, last year on around those March, we make a lot of money using this MEXZ new listing coin, right? Now this year again, we want to still make the same money. All these new listed coin, all this coin, new coin, like this guy, like this guy, like this guy, we are going to check on it, that if we can be able to turn maybe $5 to something using sports. We are not going to be using future. We are not going to be trading on future. We are going to be trading on both on spot. So the first token here, which is RH, let's quickly check it on our bots if they have actually listed it there, because it will be very interested. RH, before that, please ensure that you set up your crypto, you set up your exchange to this. All you need to do is to click on crypto, and let me short it. You click on crypto, and once you click here, crypto is going to bring you here, and you click on this, and let me click on this, and it's going to bring you here, and you type MEXC. So every tokens here has been listed on MEXC. So we want to check the first one, which is RH. I don't even know RH, sorry, RH USDT. So here is it, RH USDT. Now, very interesting. Okay, remember we are on 5-minute time frame, and this is it. Look at the way it's fluctuating. Very interesting. So there is something, you see, there is something I want us to know. Look at the way this thing spike. Let's see if our boats, our indicator, can be able to dictate it. As you can see, our indicator detects it from here. Let's assume we buy from here. You see this guy here, which is around which is around 0.007, and the thing keep going. It keep going up to, look at this massive pump. Now let's quickly do the math. The bots give us, the signal, we have the signal to buy from this guy, which is 0.7007. Let's quickly go there. RH. So this may be new, but all I target is from this new. I am not targeting the old ones. Let's say buy 0. From here you are going to check, we are going to reset this at the price the bot give us, 0.07, right? 7223. Let's assume I bought around $50, then $50. I use $50 to purchase this, and this is my $50, and at this price that the bot asks us, the indicator asks us to buy here. Look at it. So now, in the meantime, and the thing happened to goes my way. This is it. To goes up to this moment, which is 0.009, 0.009, right? 0.009, 0.009, 9199. Look at it. I will have made just around $13 because I invested $50. So quick one again. I see another one. Look at it here. Look at it. The indicator asks us to buy, and look at it. It gives you a signal. So this is just on the spot. So let's check another one again, another random. You can, if you have access to the indicator, you can just quickly check it. Let's check this SOLU. You can check any of them, and you will see that we can still make money from this. So this SOLU USDT, let's quickly go there. SOLU USDT. Okay, this is it. This is on it. Remember, this is spots. So let's quickly check back. We have some buy here. Okay, now you see this is just a new stuff like that. Let's say the indicator asks us to buy from this place. All you need to target is those new one that has no go pump, that has not pumped much. So he asks us to buy from this 0.0285, 28502, 28502. Here is it, 28502. Now we are still investing maybe $50 to this, right? $50. And let's come to where how it pump to be in our favor. It's actually pump. Let me reduce it. See just the way it pump. Let's say we are able to see the pump here, and it give us 190 what 198,377. 198,377. Let's check here. We are going to check this to where it pumped to. 198,377. 198,377. Now you see how your capital return. This is just it. I hope you are getting it. This is just it. And let's check it how it pump. This is 15 minutes. This is 1 hour. Let's put it in 1 hour. Look at it. We are able to catch the pump. Remember, this is a new token that was listed here. Now, how long does it take for it to pump? Let's do the math. We have this guy here. From this guy here, remember we are in 5 minutes. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. We have 20. That means 20. We have 20 candle multiplied by 5 minutes. That should be 20 times 5, which will give us 100, right? 100 over 60. Let's minus 60 by 100. We have just 1 hour. In 1 hour 40 minutes, we are going to make this huge amount. We are making that huge amount here in 1 hour 40 minutes. So I am not saying this is not a financial advice, but this is just what I discover, and though I have never tested it, and I am hoping to test it while I keep monitoring the new listed coin before the pump, or any token that has been behaving like that. I will keep monitoring it, and I'm going to set up a signal for us, to those who are interested. Please, if you want to test it with very less amounts. Don't be greedy. Remember, the indicator belongs to you forever as long as you meet up the requirements. So that is just it. This is what I noticed, and I decided to share with us that will be also an opportunity for those of us who are not interested in trading future or even forex. If you want to trade only spot alone, this will give you a good, I think so. I am not guaranteeing you, but if you can just check other one again. Let's check other one again, which is a new one. Let's say R2. Is this R2 new? Let's check R2 as well. I'm not sure, but let's check it since we found it there. R2 is currently not here. We also see P2P. I think we have P2P here. We have it here. I saw it here somewhere here. Sorry, I saw P2P here at new. Okay, here is the P2P here. Here is the P2P. So you can check it here, and this is P2P. So it's giving you, say, remember, we are not selling anything, we are only buying. We are only interested in buying, and once it pump, we take our profit. So I won't say anything. Okay, look at it here. The same thing here. Look at it. The same thing here. It asks you to buy, and after that, it pump very well. And look at it. It pump very massively. Just take a moment and get research on this, and please don't hesitate to give me your feedback on this comment section. Please share this video. Let's make money. We are into Q2 of the year already. Don't waste this opportunity. This is the right time to make money.